What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you how to draw Thomas the Train. Let's get started in the center page and draw a circle for the nose. And I'm going to leave a gap along the top center. So over on the left side, I'm going to curve this around towards the bottom of our circle. Come up on the right and just bend that in. Now on the side of the nose, we're going to step down, curve the cheek. We're going to go up and then out towards the side and then line that up on the right. Let's go to the side of the nose. We're going to draw a circle for the eye. I'm going to tuck this in behind the cheek. So we're going to draw a circle going all the way around towards the top of the eye. Come down and then in, leaving a little overlap along the outside. Let's pull the pupils towards the inside. So on the left, we're going to draw a smaller circle going all the way around and then in towards the cheek. Let's add a small highlight circle along the top of each pupil. And I'll fill the bottom of the pupils in black. Let's go back to the side of the nose and draw the cheeks coming down and then out toward the side. And then we'll add in the mouth. Starting on the left side of the cheek, curve the mouth coming down and then up. Now step down in the middle, draw a small curve coming down and up for the lip. Now I want to surround the face with a large circle for the head. From the outside of the left eye, let's step out, draw the bottom half. We're going to come down, come in underneath the mouth, and just bend that up on the right side. Let's go back to the left side and draw the top half of our circle. We're going to go up, round this out, and then bring that down. Now there's 2 points along the top of the eyebrows. Let's start on top of the left eye, bend this up and then in. Just line this up on the right, going out and then down. Now I want to pull that up towards a point in the center. And we'll fill the inside of the eyebrows in black. Now in the center of the head at the very top, we're going to add that steam pipe, leaving a gap in the center. Let's start over on the left. We're going to go straight up toward the top, go to the right, and do the same thing. And draw a line going across the top. We're going to start out, go all the way across towards the right. Just going to add some thickness, going up the side, and we'll flatten this off. Now I'm just going to line these up above the top, draw 2 straight lines going up. Let's close off the top with a curve. Now we're going to draw 2 lines coming out on either side. Let's start with the top left. We're going to go out to right about there. Let's line this up on the right. And I want to bring this straight down towards the bottom. And we'll pull that back in toward the side of the head. Now I'm going to line this up above the top. I'm going to curve the roof. I'm going to go up and then in toward the side. Line this up on the right. I'm going to go out and then down. Let's flatten off the ends with a short angled line, and we'll trace that curve across the top. From the outside, we're going to step in, draw a straight line coming down on either side. And then we want to add 2 windows. Let's start on the left. We're going to draw a circle, going all the way around, and then up. Draw that same size circle on the right. Let's trace those circles along the inside, leaving a frame. And then in the center, draw a straight line coming down. Now from this bottom corner, we're going to step down, draw another straight line coming in towards the head. And from the outside, we're going to bend this out and then down. Let's connect these 2 lines with a straight line going across the bottom. Let's go back to the inside. We're going to draw that same curve going out and then down. Go back up to the top, draw a straight line coming down. we're going to come all the way in, draw 2 more lines. Let's connect the top and bottom with a line coming in, so we're going to step in. Let's draw the top edge of the body. From this bottom corner, we're going to step up, angles down, and then out on either side. And then we're going to draw a straight line going across the bottom. From the corners, we're just going to angle this down and then out. And then again, draw another straight line going across. Over on the left side, from the top, we draw a small circle going all the way around. Let's trace that along the inside. And then along the bottom, we'll draw 2 straight lines coming down. Let's flatten off the ends. Come down towards the bottom. And we'll close this off with another straight line. Now on either side, we're going to draw 2 circles. One on the left, from top to bottom, and one over on the right. Let's move to the center, draw 2 straight lines coming down to create a square, and we'll add 1 circle inside that square. Let's go up to the top in the middle, draw 2 lines coming down to create a bar, and move out to the side and draw that again. Now we're going to add in the wheels. Starting on the left, draw a straight line coming down to right about there, and then line this up over on the right. Let's flatten this off, coming in, and come all the way up towards the top. Now from the top, we're going to step in, draw 2 lines coming down about halfway, and then we'll close off the bottom. Now from the inside corner of the wheel, we're going to draw a straight line coming up and then in underneath. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Thomas the Train. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.